Embarking on easy joinery techniques in woodcraft design opens a world of possibilities for beginner woodworkers, allowing them to create beautiful, functional pieces with relative ease. Joinery, the method of connecting two or more pieces of wood, is a fundamental skill in woodworking that can significantly enhance the strength and aesthetics of a project. For novices, mastering simple joinery techniques not only builds confidence, but also sets the foundation for more advanced woodworking skills in the future. At the core of woodcraft is the understanding that joinery doesn't have to be complex to be effective. Many elegant designs can be achieved using straightforward techniques that require minimal tools and materials. For beginners, the beauty of working with wood lies in its versatility and the satisfaction derived from transforming raw materials into finished products. Simple joinery techniques allow artisans to explore this transformation while honing their skills and developing their unique style. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of easy joinery techniques in woodcraft design ideas for beginner woodworkers. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most accessible joinery techniques for beginners is the butt joint. This straightforward method involves joining two pieces of wood by simply butting them against each other. While it may seem basic, the butt joint can be quite effective when reinforced with glue or screws. This technique is particularly useful for constructing frames, boxes, or simple furniture. The key to a successful butt joint lies in the accuracy of the cuts and the quality of the adhesive used. By ensuring clean, square cuts and applying glue evenly, beginners can create strong joints that will stand the test of time. For those looking to elevate their designs, the pocket hole joint is another excellent option. This technique involves drilling angled holes into one piece of wood, allowing screws to be driven into the adjacent piece. The beauty of pocket hole joinery is its hidden fasteners, leaving a clean and polished appearance. It is especially popular for constructing cabinets, shelves, and other furniture items where visibility of the joinery is not a concern. The pocket hole jig, while an additional tool, is relatively inexpensive and can streamline the process, making it an appealing choice for beginners who want to create robust and visually appealing pieces. Another easy yet effective joinery technique is the lap joint. This method involves overlapping two pieces of wood and removing a portion of each to create a flush surface. Lap joints can be used in various applications, from frames to tabletops, and add an interesting design element to projects. The simplicity of the lap joint makes it accessible for beginners, as it requires only basic tools like a saw and a chisel. By experimenting with lap joints, novice woodworkers can discover how different joint types influence the overall look and feel of their projects. Dovetail joints are often regarded as a hallmark of fine woodworking, but there are simpler variations that beginners can explore. While traditional dovetail joints can be intricate and challenging, beginner-friendly versions can still provide the aesthetic appeal associated with this classic technique. For instance, a simple half-blind dovetail joint can be used in door construction, allowing for strong and attractive connections. Utilizing templates or jigs can help simplify the process, enabling novice woodworkers to achieve professional-looking results without overwhelming complexity. The tongue and groove joint is another straightforward yet versatile technique that beginners can master. This method involves cutting a tongue on one piece of wood and a corresponding groove on another, allowing them to fit together snugly. Tongue and groove joints are commonly used in flooring, paneling, and tabletops, providing both strength and stability. The ease of this joint makes it an excellent starting point for beginners, as it encourages experimentation with different wood species and thicknesses. By trying various configurations, novice woodworkers can gain valuable experience in working with wood and understanding how different joints behave under stress. As beginners explore these joinery techniques, it is essential to focus on precision and detail. Accurate measurements and careful cutting are fundamental to achieving strong joints. Investing time in planning each project can pay off significantly, leading to better fitting joints and a more polished final product. Using tools such as a square, level, and measuring tape can help ensure that cuts are straight and pieces are aligned correctly. These practices not only enhance the quality of the work, but also foster a sense of pride in craftsmanship. In addition to technical skills, the design aspect of woodworking plays a crucial role in the appeal of joinery techniques. Simple, elegant designs can showcase the beauty of the wood and the craftsmanship behind the joints. Beginners should not shy away from experimenting with different styles and configurations. A well-designed piece can highlight the joinery, turning it into a focal point rather than a mere functional element. For instance, incorporating visible joinery in a shelving unit can create a visually striking effect while demonstrating the skill involved in the construction. As novice woodworkers gain confidence in their joinery skills, they can begin to explore more advanced techniques and combinations. The experience gained from working with easy joinery methods lays the groundwork for tackling more complex projects in the future. As they become comfortable with the basics, beginners can experiment with hybrid joints, combining elements from different techniques to create unique and innovative designs. This exploration can lead to a deeper understanding of woodworking principles and inspire creativity in their projects. Moreover, the community aspect of woodworking can provide invaluable support for beginners. Engaging with fellow woodworkers, whether through local clubs, online forums, or social media groups, can offer insights, tips, and encouragement. Sharing experiences, challenges, and successes can foster a sense of belonging and motivate individuals to continue honing their skills. Collaborating with others can also lead to new ideas and perspectives, enriching the woodworking journey. As beginners embark on their woodworking adventures, it is essential to embrace the learning process. Mistakes and challenges are a natural part of any craft, and each experience contributes to personal growth as an artisan. By approaching each project with curiosity and a willingness to learn, novice woodworkers can develop their unique style and voice in the woodworking community. The journey of mastering joinery techniques, no matter how simple, becomes a rewarding exploration of creativity, skill, and passion. In embarking on easy joinery techniques in woodcraft design offers beginners a fulfilling and appealing venture. With accessible methods such as butt joints, pocket holes, lap joints, and tongue and groove, aspiring woodworkers can create beautiful pieces that showcase their craftsmanship. The emphasis on simplicity and elegance allows for creativity to flourish while providing a strong foundation for future projects. By focusing on precision, design, and community engagement, novice artisans can develop their skills, transform their ideas into tangible creations, and ultimately find joy in the art of woodworking. The journey of crafting wood into functional and artistic forms is not just about the final product, but also about the growth and satisfaction derived from the process itself. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked easy joinery techniques in woodcraft design ideas for beginner woodworkers. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.